Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Morpeko. So first we're going to get started with our eyes. So on both sides we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in towards the center. And then underneath that for our eyes, we're just going to draw in a half circle. In the center for the nose, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. Now coming down for the cheeks, on the corner of both eyes, we're going to draw in a circle. And now in the middle for the mouth, we're going to start on the top, drawing in a nice big arch line coming down. And then from left to right, we're just going to curve this line across. Now on both sides, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up towards the top. And now let's draw in our arms. So coming over on the left, we're going to, for the thumb, create a small triangle. And then we're going to come across towards the right, replicating that. On the bottom, let's arch this line around and then down. And then starting back on the top, again, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Now coming up in the center, closing off the top of the head, we're going to draw in a small arch line. And then again, as we come down on both sides, we're going to replicate that, curving that line in. Now let's draw in our ears. So on the top right, we're going to arch this line around. And then we'll do the same as we come in towards the top. Now from that point, we're going to arch this line back around and then in towards the top of our head. And then coming across underneath, curving this line out. And then again from that point, just bringing this line underneath and in towards the side of the head. Now in the middle, we're going to arch this line across. Let's move down now and draw on the rest of the body. So coming down on the right, we're going to draw in a diagonal oval for the foot. We're going to close off the side of the body now, curving that line up. Coming down on the left, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then now from here, we're going to close this off by curving this line out and then back up towards our right foot. And then for the left foot here, we're going to just draw in another oval, connecting that, bringing that up on the side. Let's draw in the pattern in the head now. So we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come in. And then again from that point, we're going to bring in another diagonal line that comes out. Again from that point, bringing that line in, joining that in the center. And then we're going to bring each diagonal line out towards the top of our eye. Now moving underneath, we're going to curve this line in. And then underneath our mouth, we're just going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. Again, from that point, we're going to bring this diagonal line down. And then again, bringing that line in on both sides. Now from here on the right, bringing this line out, do the same on the left. From that point, we're going to curve this line up and over, and then we'll do the same on the left. And that is it. That's how you draw Morpeko from Pokemon. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.